Welcome! Today we're diving into how to post anonymously in a Facebook group. Let's keep your thoughts private. First, join a group that aligns with your interests. Look for communities where you feel comfortable sharing. Next, check the group's settings. Ensure that anonymous posts are allowed. This will protect your identity while engaging. When creating your post, select the option to post anonymously. This feature will hide your name from other members. Craft your message carefully. Be respectful and stay on topic to foster positive discussions. Voila! Hit post and your anonymous message is shared with the group. Enjoy engaging without fear. Remember, anonymity is powerful. Use it wisely and be mindful of the group rules. Engage respectfully. Avoid personal attacks and focus on building constructive conversations. If you face any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the group admin for help. They're there to support you. Finally, keep your personal information off public posts. Protect your privacy at all costs. And that's it. You're now ready to post anonymously in Facebook groups. Happy posting! Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more tips on social media usage.